Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation of Industry versus Nature, an interactive art piece by Eugene Vallejo. This art piece transforms a simple game of checkers into a dynamic statement about the ongoing struggle between natural forces and industrial expansion. At the center of this art piece is a checkers board, but it's more than just a game. It's a battlefield of ideas. On one side, nature, green, organic, and thriving. On the other side, industry, structured, metallic, and ever expanding. Each move is a symbolic struggle, with players embodying these forces. The winner doesn't just claim victory, they change the environment around them. If the nature side wins, they get to put out the industry's light, symbolizing nature reclaiming its space. If the industry side wins, the industry player must dim the nature side, representing the overwhelming spread of development. This interaction forces us to ask, can balance be achieved? Or must one always dominate the other? The game invites the beholder to join the artist in the experience he felt during its creation, to reflect and ultimately decide, what kind of world do we want to create?